starting to look like a car again. Oh, it's amazing how quick that comes in and out. Yeah, I like the paint job on the axle. Now those are some nice wheels.
Well, they are, aren't they?
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's on car.
Yeah, he's got those ginormous brakes which are going to go on there as well, hasn't he? That's going to look cool. Wow, you don't hang about, Denny.
Yeah, I just tossed them
Those have got the other wheels back on there, but it's obviously got the same wheels on the front as the back. Sitting over there somewhere. Is that the first time you've had those headers on?
Yes, sir.
Looks like they.
Fresh out of the package.
It looks like they're looking pretty good.
Max hasn't even seen them on there yet.
Oh wow,
That's gonna surprise him.
man, the clearance looks perfect.
No, that's a set of headers.
That is, but didn't they cost a fortune?
Buddy, you couldn't get a set of headers to fit any better than what they got.
No, how'd they manage that?
They nailed it. Like, look at all that. That's major clearance.
That's beautiful, that is.
And you're way far away from your starter.
Oh wow.
Because this is quite a problem. You got that suspension ear.
Yeah,
You know, your suspension ear is 6 inches from your starter.
I know.
And you got to shove exhaust through there.
It looks like they've got a pointed cone inside there.
Bet they sound bitchy.
Yeah. Didn't he pay like over $2,000 or something for these?
This is going to be the car that everybody wants.
Yeah, it is.
I don't care who you are. You're going to want this car.
Yeah.
You know, something's wrong with you.
He's going to have like two settings on the computer, isn't he? One for 1,000 horsepower and one for like 600. So this is where it bolts through into the inside the car. Man, that's crazy.